projector phone. It's 12.5 millimeters thin. The projector itself projects at 640 by 360 resolution. That's 1/9 Full HD or NHD. It's powered by a 15 lumen LED. It has 20,000 hour lifespan. Let me go ahead and show you a sample video here, just to kind of show it off a bit. As you can see here, it's very bright and vivid. You can move the phone back by about 2 meters, at which point the max display will be 50 inches.
Which is a little bit bigger than that.
Yeah. I think this would maybe be like a...
Yeah, it's another 20%, 30%.
Yeah. And you don't need to put it on any kind of fancy screen if you don't want to. Put it on the ceiling, or the carpet, your hand, the shirt, or the table. Doesn't really matter. It'll work kind of at any surface. The default behavior for the projector is to mirror whatever is on the display of the phone. So if you're doing giving a map or photos, video, like I just showed you, it'll project it on there. That being said, there are two other kind of features to enhance this phone. One is called the visual presenter, which kind of turns the phone into an overhead projector. That means it will use the rear camera to project onto the projector. So it's dark, I'm going to turn the flash on, and as you can see, whatever the camera sees here, it will show on the projector. So it's good for things like product demos, or just simply showing photos, documents, or whatever else you can really think of. Another tool you can use is called the Quick Pad, and this is kind of an annotating tool where you can draw on the screen to kind of show what you're talking about. For example, let's say you're looking at a PowerPoint presentation and you want to kind of highlight what you're talking about. You can use the pen tool to draw on the screen, or you can just kind of doodle if you want, of course. You can also use the pointer, which will allow you to kind of help show what you're talking about or presenting here. The phone itself is powered by a dual-core 1 GHz processor with Android 2.3, but it will have an update to ICS 4.0. The phone will be released by the end of Q2, so the first half of this year. And it will also have an optional speaker dock here, which has 2 power speakers, and will also charge the phone. And it rotates vertically like this, so you can use it as a portable home cinema or a portable projector machine. It's very nice. The phone is light, 145 grams.
Battery life.
It has, so with the projector on and a fully charged battery, you get 3 hours of projection time.
Which is good enough.
Right, full movie. Hopefully you don't have a meeting longer than 3 hours.
Could you plug it in? You can charge it in this
Yep, so this gives it charged too.
So this plugs in.
Right, so there's a power adapter in the back here that's plugged in.
How's the audio? I mean, can you have these speakers?
Yeah, so this speaker system, I don't think it's plugged in right now.
But you could, and it's got the audio.
Yeah, exactly.
It's good enough, right?
Right, yeah.
Does this thing have a battery as well?
I'm not sure. I don't know.
Bet you they'll have one though. By the time someone will be selling an option to.
I would imagine there'd be plenty of third-party accessories.
Like
Right.
Stem full?
I'm impressed. I want to get one.
Yeah, me too. $1. But as far as release dates, prices, availability,
Does it have that note functionality with a stylus as well?